What's up, YouTube? In this video, we're going to talk about the laziest way to make money online for YouTube beginners, okay? So if you're new to YouTube, new to making content, making videos, this is the perfect place for you, okay? Before we get into it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and sub up to the channel. It's completely free, okay? Completely free. Let's get straight into it, guys. If you're wondering what the laziest way to make money online is, it's creating videos, creating content. YouTube wants to pay you, right, to keep people on YouTube. Sounds crazy, right? No. Everybody knows content creation is the new wave right now, okay? Making videos, documenting what you do already every single day, right? And then getting paid from that. I want everybody listening and watching this video right now. You have a YouTube channel, use it. Utilize what YouTube has given you and get the best from it, okay? That way you're financially free. I want to help everybody watching this video right now to make the most money possible, to have the most freedom possible, and then just live your best life, okay? So give this video a thumbs up. Let's get right into it. I want you guys to understand, this is the easiest thing that you could do right now. Press record, talk, document what you do already, press stop. Just doing that alone is going to keep you on a consistent basis, okay? You want to stay consistent the best you can. And what I mean by that is, I mean you need to make videos every single day. Every day, okay? Whether it's 5 minutes, whether it's 10 minutes, whether it's 30 minutes, whether it's an hour. Keep making videos every day. I'm going to give you guys tips on how you can make the best videos possible, okay? And have the best channel growth. Here it is. 1, make 10 to 20 minute videos every time, okay? 2, try to have amazing audio. Understand that audio is probably half of it, okay? Audio is half the experience, what people hear. So have the best audio you can, okay? And make sure these are long videos. Number 3, make sure there are purposeful videos, okay? Content that's evergreen content. Content that people are going to look up, okay? Trends are nice, but trends are just trends. They don't last long, okay? Understand that. So make the best videos you can, right? And once you do that, you want to get 1% better every day, okay? So whatever video you make today or tomorrow, you get better the next day, and then the next day, and then the next day, all right? You do those 3 things right there, you're going to have amazing success with YouTube, okay? I just want to help everybody watching this video right now to be able to do wherever they want, to go on vacation whenever they want, to buy the nice things they want, right? And I want you to grow your brand. And I don't know nothing out there right now that's going to help you grow your brand like content creation. Do you got to be on YouTube or stay on YouTube? No. But do I recommend you stay on YouTube? Yes. Do I recommend you get monetized on YouTube? Yes. How do you do that? Got to make videos. You got to keep people online. You not making videos, or you doing video once a month, it's not going to get it done. We need consistency, people. Every day. If you could take it a step further, do multiple times a day. Okay? If you guys don't know who Dodash is, check out Dodash. Dodash is a content creator. She recently has blown up her channel just by making videos. Now, her videos that I see, it's like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah, it might be 20 minutes, 30 minutes here and there, but the longer the better. But her videos are fairly short. But her name is Dodash, okay? D-O-U-G-H, and then you got Dash, D-A-S-H. Some people say that she's a phony, right? her and Dash of Faith. There's a thing they was blowing up here recently. But I want you guys to understand that content creation is huge. It can get you at any gym right now. If you're thinking about quitting your 9 to 5 right now and you make content, you're going to make more money than you've ever made before. Okay? So listen to me right now. My goal on this channel is to not only help you physically, but help you financially, help you mentally, all right? Help you in all ways possible. Everything, money ain't everything, but everything needs money, okay? So that's why we're talking about those two things mainly, okay? Fitness and finances, making money. Now, everybody, it depends on what you have. Everybody watching this video right now, you have a camera, you have a phone. Utilize that phone, okay? Make the best videos you can. Some people have a camera, that's fine. You do what you gotta do. But I want you guys to understand something, right? The more videos you make, the more YouTube is gonna pay you, because you're keeping people on the platform. You gotta get in this rhythm. You gotta get in this routine of things where you're just making content after content, videos after videos, whether you're just playing games, whether you're just working, whether you're just talking, chatting, it doesn't matter. You gotta record it. You gotta document it. People will be fascinated about your life. There's someone on this planet that, there's millions of people on this planet that will be fascinated about what you do on a day-to-day basis. You might not think that. You might not think, oh, well, what I do is not that serious, it's not that, but other people will watch it. And because of that, YouTube knows that, realizes that, and so they're like, well, okay, if we get people that just post consistently, let's pay them. That way they do it more and more and more. And it's not going to just be small payments. It's going to be big. You're going to get paid thousands of dollars to make videos, make content every single day. My goal is to encourage you guys, to motivate you guys to make content, especially beginners on YouTube, newcomers on YouTube, newbies making content. This is for you. I want to help you guys out. Why? Because people don't realize how much content and how much they need to post and how many videos they need to make to get out there. I see a lot of videos say once every 2 weeks is fine, right? Once every 2 weeks is fine to make videos. It's not. Do it every day. Every single day you make videos, I promise you, what you're going to get out of that is going to be amazing. Okay? YouTube is on easy mode right now. And what people mean by that is you're able to document and or record what you do every day and get compensated for that. Is it easy making videos? No. Nothing worth it is easy. But what you got to do, all you got to do is press record, do it every day. That's not easy for everybody to do that because people got jobs, families, etc. But if you do it, you find out a way to be like, you know what? I'm gonna make it my goal every day to post videos. YouTube's gonna pay you thousands of dollars. Thousands. But you gotta be mindful of what type of videos you post, what type of content you're making. Because that's going to determine how much money YouTube pays you. Do your research, people. Don't just willy-nilly post. If you are going to willy-nilly post, just post whatever, whenever you want, whatever. Be consistent about it. And YouTube is going to take care of you. If you're not going to be super consistent about it, then you need to niche down. You need to pick a schedule, find a schedule, and then stick to that schedule. Okay? You guys need to understand that this is something that everybody can do. If you're watching this video, you can do this concept. You can make videos every single day, right? I'm not saying you got to make a 10 to 20 minute video, but what I'm saying is the more videos you do, 10 to 20 minutes, the faster you're going to get monetized on YouTube. Okay? The faster you're going to get monetized on YouTube. And everybody wants to get monetized on YouTube. Because why wouldn't you want to get monetized by YouTube? It's lovely money. It's amazing money. And when you put videos on YouTube, because YouTube is going to be going on longer than me and you staying alive, right? They're going to keep going. The videos are going to stay there forever. Once you put it out there, it stays there forever. Okay? Find your routine, and think about this. If you make video, if you're purposeful and you're mindful about the videos that you make, you can write off vacations, you can write off your cars, you can write off your houses, you can write off nice things, you can write off trips, you can just write off your whole life if you make content from it. Okay? If you involve your life in content, which I strongly recommend you do, making videos, you're going to be able to write it off. If you're in the United States at least. Okay? If you're somewhere else on the planet, that's the only thing that's going to literally like not benefit you. Okay? Take advantage of that. Be the best you can be. I want to help you guys out. If there's anyone out there that hasn't took that leap yet, take that leap. Take that leap. It is going to be the best thing you could possibly do with your life. Making content. Okay? Whether you're streaming, whether you're making videos, your daily goal should be every day I need to make a video somehow, some way. I need to document what I do somehow, some way. I need to put content out there so your fan base and your community can find you. There's no way around that. You got to make videos. Longer the better, the more the better. You understand that concept? You go from there, man, you're going to be rolling. It's going to be a snowball effect. Why? Because what's going to happen is you're going to start with a small snowball, and it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. You're going to learn from creating content. You're going to learn from making videos. And once you learn it, you're going to be like, dang, I probably wouldn't have learned this fast if I didn't post every day. And that's what I'm saying. Post every day. Now, if yes, it's going to feel awkward and weird at first. But you got to get over that. You got to get over that. Because what's after that is just going to be just amazing for the rest of your life. Okay? I want to help everybody watching this video to have the best channels possible, to live their best lives. And in my opinion, there's nothing on this planet that's going to help you do that besides making videos, editing those videos. Shorts, I mean, not so much. I'll be honest with you. Not so much on the shorts. Live videos, they can help you out, right? Depending on what type of content you're making, how often you make those videos, how often you're live. If you're new to YouTube and you don't have no videos on your channel, whether you're old or you're young, I think that's ridiculous. I think that's one of the craziest things ever. That's like having a bank account with no money in it. Why have a bank account if you don't got no money in it? Now, for some brokies out there, that's going to be like, well, whatever. Ridiculous. Nonsense. Okay? It's nonsense. You got to make videos. If you have a YouTube channel, utilize that channel and make videos, people. It's simple as that. It's simple as that. You need to be making videos. It is the easiest thing and the laziest way to make money online. Why do I tell you that? Because I want you guys to be able to make money when you leave your home, when you go on vacation. right? When you go visit a family member, what do I gotta do to get it in your skull that YouTube will pay you for just making videos every day? Why would I waste my breath, waste my time telling you this if I didn't truly know this for a fact? Okay? Once you're done listening to this video, okay? And before you finish listening to this video, I want you guys to make sure give this video a thumbs up. W in the chat if you got this far, okay? But most importantly, sub up to the channel, okay? Again, we're posting daily videos. If I'm holding you guys, if I'm trying to hold you guys accountable to posting daily videos, I'm definitely gonna hold myself accountable. We are posting daily, right? That needs to happen every day. And once we do that, the sky is the limit. Okay? Do not let nobody stop you from your goal, no matter what, even family members. Find time in your day, in your schedule, to record videos, even if you're at work. Okay, if you're at that 9 to 5 and you hate that 9 to 5, you hate your job, I'm talking to you. Make videos every day. You needed some type of motivation, inspiration to get started. This is it. Start now. Make videos. I watch tons and tons and tons of videos and content. Is that good or not? That's another argument for another day. What I'm telling you is, though, because of that, I post videos, and I try to make longer and longer and longer and longer and longer videos. I try to make better and better and better and better videos. And I'm going to keep doing it every day, and I'm going to get amazing and better at it every single day. And just doing that 1%, if just me getting 1% better every single day, 100 days from now, is going to blow my mind, your mind. There's no downside to making videos and content, unless it's bad content. All right, don't put bad content out there. Again, be mindful of the videos that you post, and then you go from there. I want you guys to be great. And understand, beast do beast things. I'm going to catch you on the next one. Peace!